I'm going to talk about the cuboids. You can see the cuboid which I am holding. This is eraser. I think in our students' daily life it's their friend also. You can see the rectangular surfaces. You can see this is also the rectangle, and you can see the rectangle. You can see the rectangle on all the sides. Okay, you can see that the opposite surfaces are equal in size. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Okay, one more observation is you can see the edges. These are called the edges. Okay, you can see how the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are all the edges. Okay, what about the vertices? Okay, where the three edges meet, this is the 1, 2, 3. This is the one vertex, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is about the features of the cuboid. I'm holding the one more thing which is in our daily life, the matchbox. You can see this is also having the similar features. Opposite surfaces are equal, then the same number of edges and vertices. Okay, in the cuboid, okay, how to find the volume of the cuboid? Volume means the space which is occupied by the particular thing. Maybe the water which is occupied in the bucket, like that. The air which is occupied in the room, maybe in the similar type of things we can discuss. Okay, then I just wanted to discuss you more about this. I think you can see how to find the volume. I think to find the volume, always we use the formula length into breadth into height. Okay, this is to find the volume of cuboid. So you can see length, breadth and height. So I'm just going to open this. You can see okay, 1, 2, 3. This 3 is the length. Okay, breadth 1 and 2. Height only 1 cube. Okay, so 3 into 2, 6 into 1, 6. This is called 6 cubic units. Cubic units means there are 6 cubes. That's why it's called the cubic units. You can see the cube. The volume always having the notations like cube, cubic units. Maybe you can come across with the water, like cubic feet. TMC means 10 million cubic feet, like that. Similarly, I have taken the other example. I think you can see this is also the cube. You can see all the surfaces are equal. So this is one of the solid shape. I think you can see this is also a cuboid. Okay, then what is the volume of this? You can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and the height is, and the breadth is 1 and 2. Okay, the volume of this length into breadth into height, that is length is 4, breadth is 2, height is 3. Again I am going to recheck that. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the length, 1, 2, 3. This is the height, and you can see the breadth, that is can see that is 2. The breadth is 2, the height is 3, and the length is 4. Okay, then how many cubic units it's going to be? Just when you calculate this, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now you can count the cubes now here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So 24 is the cubes are there, means 24 cubic units we are representing. Each cube represents the unit. So there are 24 cubes inside this total solid volume. So when you take a tank, suppose in your home, you can see this is going to be the shape. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್? ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್? How to calculate that? So we are going to, if we get that, suppose this is going to be 4 feet height, and if it is going to be, the length is going to be 6 feet, and the height is already calculated, and this breadth is about 3. If we take, you can just find that 6 into 3 into 4 means length, breadth and height. So now you can see 6 3s at 18, 18 4s are 78. So that is totally, it's going to be the 78 cubic feet. So then how much is the water inside the tank? So to calculate that, we should know that how much water is there in 1 cubic feet. Okay, it is 28.3 liters. 1 cubic feet ನಲ್ಲಿ 28.3 ಲೀಟರ್, 28 ಲೀಟರ್ approximately ನೀರಿರ್ತದೆ. 1 cubic feet contains 28.31 liters of water. Then how much is water in the tank? Okay, so to calculate that, you just have to multiply with 72 into 28.31. Approximately you will get the 2038 liters. So now we are able to understand that how much water in the water tank. So then I think it's almost equal to the half of the tractor water tank. I think it's okay. So this is how we need to find that volume of the water inside the tank.